Hello again. Welcome to Day 7 of the 10-Day Accessibility Challenge. Today's topic, providing alternative text for images. Pictures help us teach and tell the story of our discipline. They have both aesthetic and educational value, but for a variety of reasons, some students cannot see the images in our course. So we need to provide a textual description. These descriptions are called alternative text, or alt text for short. Here are 3 quick rules for creating alt text. Number 1. Some graphics include both images and words, or even just words. If your graphic contains words, you need to ensure your alt text contains those words. Number 2. Don't start your alt text with a phrase like image of, or graphic of, or picture of. The screen reader will note when it comes to an image. The only time you need to include anything about the media is when the media matters. For instance, if it's important that your students know they are looking at an oil painting, or a photograph, or a sketch, include that. But if the medium is irrelevant to the context, just stick to describing the image. And 3, alt text should be appropriate to the context. Consider this image, for instance. If I was teaching an art course, the alt text might be a 23-foot statue composed of steel, fiberglass, and ceramic tiles by Rigo 23. But if I was teaching history, the alt text might be statue commemorating Olympian athletes Tommie Smith and John Carlos, who raised their fist in protest of racism when they won medals in the 1968 Olympics in Mexico. Let's add alt text to this page in Canvas. It has both a decorative element and an image to support instruction. Before you start, be sure to upload your images to your files in Canvas. Let's insert the decorative border first by positioning the cursor at the top of the page and formatting so the image will be at the center of the page. Select the Embed Image icon, then select either Upload Image or Course Images. I already uploaded the image I want to use, so I'll select Course Images. The File Selection panel will open. Search the course images by date added or file name, or scroll through to find an image. Select the image, and it will automatically be embedded at the cursor position. Next, we'll add alt text and format the image size. Select the image on your page, then select Image Options. The Image Options panel will replace the File Selection panel. Since this is a decorative image, select the Decorative Image box. Adjust the image size if needed, then select Done. Now let's check it. Select Image Options again. You'll see Canvas has removed the alt text and the image will be tagged as decorative in the HTML when you save the page. Next, we'll add in the image of the statue. We'll place the cursor where we want the image, then select Upload Image. An upload prompt will open. Select Upload, then choose your image from your files. A preview of the image will load. If it's the correct image, submit your selection. The image will load in the page. Okay. Now let's add alt text. Select the image, then Image Options. Oh, yikes! Look at the suggested alt text. By default, Canvas uses the file name as the alt text and also includes the file extension. Both can cause confusing errors for your students. Delete the file name and extension and type in the appropriate, context-specific alternative text. Adjust the size of your image if necessary, and then save. That's all there is to adding alternative text to your decorative and instructional images. Tomorrow, we'll tackle complex images. Yep, you got it. The key to our success is learning together. See you tomorrow for Day 8 of the 10-Day Accessibility Challenge.